Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make peanut butter taste good. Start by enhancing its natural flavor. A tiny pinch of salt can really bring out the nutty notes and balance any sweetness. For a touch of extra sweetness, try stirring in a teaspoon of honey or maple syrup. You can also add a quarter teaspoon of cinnamon or a few drops of vanilla extract for a warm, inviting aroma and taste. Next, let's talk about texture. If you prefer a creamier spread, blend your peanut butter with a tablespoon of milk, either dairy or plant-based. For a smoother, more spreadable consistency, a half teaspoon of neutral oil, like coconut or vegetable oil, works wonders. You can also warm it gently in the microwave for about 15 seconds to make it extra soft and easy to mix. Now, let's get creative with flavor pairings. For a delightful sweet treat, mix in a small handful of chocolate chips, dark or milk. A classic combination is to swirl in a tablespoon of your favorite fruit preserves, like strawberry or grape. If you enjoy a bit of crunch, stir in a tablespoon of finely chopped nuts, such as almonds or pecans, for added texture and flavor. Finally, don't forget the savory side of peanut butter. It's fantastic in a savory sauce for noodles, chicken, or vegetables, adding a rich, nutty depth. Try spreading it on toast and topping with sliced avocado and a sprinkle of red pepper flakes for a unique breakfast. For a quick and spicy dip, mix a tablespoon of peanut butter with a half teaspoon of sriracha and a squeeze of lime juice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.